What are the advantages of a metal roof?
Over time, a metal roof will pay for itself with lower heating and cooling costs, making your home more energy efficient. The need for the yearly maintenance is also eliminated by installing a metal roof. Higher wind resistance allows a metal roof to withstand up to 120-kilometer winds, which cannot be said for an asphalt roof. Metal roof also has a higher life expectancy of approximately 50 to 75 years. Reduced insurance costs due to the wind, fire, and hail rating allows you as a homeowner to also save. 100% eco-friendly, green, and most importantly, the material is 100% recyclable.